So here at Frost, we have a range of Dinitrol products as well for you. It's a German brand, a lot of them OEM products as well. We've got the 445, which is a Blackstone chip. Beauty with this is that it's overpaintable. We've got the 1000, this is only available in a litre, but it is a clear cavity wax. The Dinitrol 4010, now this is a high temperature engine wax, dries like a 2K. The Dinitrol metallic is a bronze coloured aerosol of cavity protection. We have the Dinitrol ML, which is an amber cavity wax, brilliant for internals, door skins. We've got the Dinitrol 4941, which is the underbody protective coating. Brilliant all over the ML as a full protective system. The Dinitrol 3125HS, this is a black cavity wax, brilliant for vertical surfaces. So aerosol or a litre. The Dinitrol 6030 aluminium filler. It's got aluminium flake in this, so it's very, very durable, but very, very flexible, and really doesn't pinhole either as long as you mix it correctly. This is our Dinitrol range of products. If you need any more information on any of these products, please just contact us here at Frost. Thank you.